This video is powered by Edgeline Championship. If go-kart is concerned, we all know chassis structure is made up of tubes and it multiple tubes join at a single point. It becomes complex structure to design in any software. So here we will compare two methods of designing such tubes in different CAD software and find the convenient method to design. We perform this design first in CATIA software using rib command, second using Wellmets in SolidWorks software. So, apart from these software, there are other method and software also which can be used for such part designs. Now, moving forward, let's open the CATIA software. We are going to open CATIA software. So here it is. Just we will go to part design. Here we'll perform our rib command and also a sketch will be drawn. Now this is a part design workbench of CATIA. Here we'll design a wireframe on which tubing will be performed in both the methods. So let's start designing a wireframe having this first wire is in XY plane. Here it is done. Then go moving towards the next plane, giving any angle, a random angle, and let's make two tubes. Yes, here. Just increase the length here and also here. Okay. Then these two tubes are done. After this, moving towards another plane, third plane, we'll have another tubes or wireframe for tubing. This one and this one. So here we have been, it's too short. So here we have done with our wireframe, means in which we'll perform our task of tubing. So let's save this wireframe so that we can shift it towards in SolidWorks and perform Wellmet there in the same wireframe. So let's go and save it. Just save as. We'll save it in IGS format. Here we'll say it tube joining. Okay, and save. So we have this wireframe. Now let's move towards the rib command, performing the first method. Here we'll first make the profile 1 and then 2, and having this dimension, let's say 25.4 mm, and this two, let's say it has 26 mm, and having just a screenshot, let it be 24 mm, and this to be a 1 inch 25.4. Okay, and then move forward. No, it don't have any much thickness, so just have a 2 mm thickness, so it will be 23.4. And let's have some. So here we have our profile. This is a rip command. When we move our cursor here, we'll see the rip command. So let's select our profile, and it's a curve center. So yes, done with this, and we have our tube ready. Just we can see it by moving the cursor. It has a proper thickness and all. So let's do other also. So for doing other tubing, we need to make a plane in each curve, as this curve is in xy plane only and in 0 axis. So here we'll make a curve, we'll make a plane first. So let's search the plane option here. Yes, we have our planes here, so we'll make it here. Reference, yes, here making a plane, so we have a reference and this offset. Okay, crossing this, going here, and drawing a profile again of same dimension. Here it is 25.4, and another one is 23.4, and going away again, we will have a rip command, this profile and this line. We can see. Okay, so here just rotating our cursor, we can see here we have a tube-like structure. So next, third plane, going towards the third plane. This is the profile and this is a structure. Yes. So I have done something which I'll tell you afterwards. Just going to Sketcher, fit in the screen. While sketching these things, we'll just quickly sketch our part, and here it is, this point, 2 circles, 1, 2, constrain 1, that is 23.4, and this one is 25.4, and going here, fit the screen, then the profile is ready, rip command, and this line. Okay, we have done this. Apart from this, we can also use the sweep command and other commands also. So here we can observe the join. We'll just zoom it. So this joint became, we have joints, we can have clear idea about the joint. So here, this one is our first sketch. So let's see the joint completely. So here we are done with our multiple join at a single point in CATIA with using rip command. So now we'll move towards the SolidWorks software with the same wireframe. Here we have our SolidWorks workbench where we will first, same as CATIA, draw a wireframe and then start doing weldments. So here is sketch. Now in sketch we'll draw a wireframe like in front plane here to here and from here. So this is done. Now exit the plane, come towards top, again in sketches have the line. First let's see the plane, same like here, and then again have a line which will be here. So these two are done in this plane. So exited the plane again. Likewise we'll do everything, complete in just a short few minutes. Have here a line which will have this thing, having this also. And exiting the plane. So we'll just make sure to increase the length of every part, every sketch. So as we hear here, we're done with our sketch. Now this is our sketch which we are going to do tubing on. So go to weldments. Here we'll just make the sketch in 3D. So just convert entity. Here we'll select each and every entity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just click on green tick. Now we have this. So now in weldments we'll move from this and go to structural member. Here as we have selected the standards, first is we'll have it in inches, then it will be a pipe as it is also a tube, then having a small tube thickness, then find a new group. One is this, yes, second is this, okay, then next is this is a group and this, then next this. So it is done with all. Now here we have to make sure the intersection will be proper. Just stick it on Here we have first group, which is this, second group, which is here, and having a complete intersection, and third group, which is this. So in second group, if we have taken, it might be this, this, or this. And if a first group we have taken, it might be this, this, and this. Here, this can also be suitable, but if we have done this, then here, this not done, this is also done. So by changing the corner treatment, we can fix our joint according to our need. So just click it on OK. Here we can see we have our tubing and we have multiple options to join it as per our need. Now we have done with our video. Here we have seen how we can draw a joint in CATIA and also in SolidWorks. So from my point of view, SolidWorks design is much better and convenient to draw. So this is a design. We don't have any need to make a profile and then sketch a circles and then have these tubings. We simply had to specify the type of shape we want, and if the type of shape we want as per our need, as it is, I had taken here a standard pipe. So if you have want tubes like of 1 inch tube, so you can just simply add it in SolidWorks library. If you want that video, I'll also make it too for you. So having any doubt, you can just comment me. Thank you.